Hello and welcome to edumate.tv, and these are the headlines for today.
The Bihar Class 12 students can submit requests for verification of their marks and answer sheets from April 1st to April 7th. Bihar School Education Board will be opening the verification window on the official website biharboardonline.bihar.gov.in. There is good news for students who are set to appear in the CBSE Class 10th, Class 12th Board Exams 2021. The Central Board of Secondary Education has allowed students of CBSE Class 10th and Class 12th to appear in the improvement exam in the same year. Last year, the highest JEE main cutoff at which an IIT closed admission to unreserved candidates for BTech in Computer Science and Engineering was 8,722 at Atal Bihari Vajpayee Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Gwalior. The Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore has announced the result of the joint admission test on March 20. The scorecard for JAM 2021 exam will be made available from March 27 to July 31, 2021. Bihar Board Class 12 toppers will get Rs 1 lakh and a laptop and Kindle e-book reader, the Bihar Board School Examination Board announced on Twitter. Girls have outperformed boys in the intermediate examination conducted by Bihar School Examination Board. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat said that the state government's efforts are focused on strengthening basic infrastructure in sectors including health and assured that the work on 3 medical colleges will start soon. Jammu and Kashmir Samagra Shiksha launched a mobile application for mainstreaming and tracking out-of-school children. The Delhi government honored 98 teachers and principals from government and private schools here for their contribution to school education. Haryana has released date sheets for Class 10th and Class 12th board exams. Class 10 exam will begin on April 22 with social science paper, and Class 12th exams will begin on April 20 with Hindi paper. Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said that the new national education policy will form the basis of ensuring quality and equality in sector and rubbished allegations of saffronization of education. The course-wise registration certification scheme will allow students to register for specific courses without having to register for an entire program. The Mehta case renews that old debate whether outstandingly truthful intellectuals ever seek to be part of institutions whose commitment, however trumped, to the freedom of thought remains questionable. The University of Mumbai will conduct the PSG entrance test or PET. The test scheduled to be held on March 26th and March 27th will be conducted in online mode for 79 subjects. Delhi Technological University will be launching a lab on wheels for the students studying in Delhi schools. The aim of this project is to educate the students residing in rural areas. The National Institute of Open Schooling has extended the application deadline for secondary and senior secondary courses for October 2021 session.
For more information, log on to www.edumate.tv.